Well, I've got the engine off. It's right there. Next step, the old Smokey. Alright, the old Smokey's in here, getting ready to do some serious work. As you can see, the children's cable right here can't even move it. Throttle cable's going to get replaced. But this here thing will get replaced with the other engine over there waiting to be on this end. So I'll do a little video step by step. And I got the cutoff switch right here for fuel. That way I don't have to worry about pinching it or cracking the line. Here we go. That's 12 and a half, 14 and a half. Get the motor down to 2 horsepower. Have fun. Well, I've got the bolts taken off. Now the fun part again is taking this heavy thing off and all the oily crud. Once I get this out, I can scrape all the oil stuff off it. Basically, now big straight bike, and there's nothing in there. Holy cow. That bike's so loud. Now I'm going to take it off, and I'll get it on video then. There's the old Smokey. Right off this frame. Clean this frame up a little bit and put the new engine on there. Take this part off, get rid of that. That's the muffler. He got nothing in there. That's why it's so loud. Moving the crowd. You ain't got nothing. Redneck style. Remember how thick it was when you saw it last? It's all down there now. Alright, there's the two different pulleys. This one right here goes to the MTD, and this here's coming off the Craftsman, which is this engine right here. So yeah, they both got the same diameter. There's only one problem why I cannot use this onto the MTD. The top part of the pulley, your dry pulley, does not line up. So that gives me a good reason to change pulley. Now, this here's the bolt that comes off of this. And because of that, it's a long one. And because it goes down here. That's this one right here, you can go down a little further down. They get both got the same diameter. Not any problem. And key here, I go to the slot here. Slot, not slut. Blech. Anyway, there's the keyway right there. This one don't have it, but it does have one on the inside. You can see it right there. So this here can be out. I'm putting this one on here. find a good place for the camera. Now I put the pulley on. There you go. But I'm not going to put it on yet until it mounts on the end, on the tractor frame. And the reason why it'll pass this part, but will not pass this part here, because the hole on the frame itself is a little smaller. That's why it has to come off. You can see that hole right here, the reason why I had to take the pulley off. That's why. But I'm used to it anyway. There's the muffler. Well, was a muffler. I got that off of there. So that. Now I can ready to be mounted. Glad I could get it now. Okay. Ah, interesting why I think lined it up. Well, thing. The oil drain pipe. Up here, steering linkage. Now I've got underneath this. No, I did not take this off. What I did, I turned it like that. That way this part here right above me just right on in. Got a place for the muffler. It's almost done. All you have to do is put this on, put that bolt on, push it out, sweep the garage out, and check it out if you've ever run. I got it made.